My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is December 24th, 2021. Merry Christmas Eve. And Bitcoin is looking like it is merrily, riding along, looking to hit its target of 58K or thereabouts, okay? On the hourly chart. And today I'm actually coming out with two videos. I actually just recorded one video that is very, 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 very important. And it may be an important video for years to come. If you're interested in Bitcoin, if you're interested in crypto, if you're interested in Elliott wave theory, if you're interested in what I think is good analysis, then give it a watch from beginning to end. Okay. That being said, onwards and forwards for the daily update. So Bitcoin, as I said, looks to be in its third Elliott wave. It's just, chugging along and hitting its targets little by little. All right, we broke through 51K or 50K, which was staunch resistance. And now we have another point of resistance at 51.5, okay? And this is going to be an important point of resistance because it looks like it's going to create a large breakout of this pattern. Here's a pattern. Do you see this? This, I don't know what it is. This inverse head and shoulders, I guess. And so this breakout should take us, swiftly to our target of around 58K, okay? So you see that we're at the neckline of this pattern. Maybe it's like this. It's a pretty ugly inverse head and shoulders, but it's something like that, right? Anyway, if you just look, we're in the middle of a third wave, and this impulse is happening faster than even I thought it would happen, right? I said in the beginning it would take 10 to 12 days, maybe 14 days, but again, it's an impulse. It's an impulsive wave, and we know impulsive waves happen impulsively, so they're quick and swift in nature, okay? So that's Bitcoin. It's pretty much chugging along. Still think that 58K or thereabouts is our ultimate target, and that would take us right to the 618, which is the maximum retracement for a two wave. So that's what I'm seeing with Bitcoin. Nothing too newsworthy there. And moving along to Chainlink, which a lot of people on this channel are trading. Chainlink is also seems to be in its third wave. And here on this chart, we are targeting between the 1 and the 1236 here. So if I remove this and I zoom out and I take the top of this if I take the top of this these five waves down, and the retracement, we're looking at a maximum of $28.60, something like that. But as I said before, looks like our target, according to our pattern analysis, takes us simply to the 0.5, around $26 or something like that. $26.05, right? But anyway, Chainlink's in the middle of the third wave and it's climbing. So everything's pretty much pumping. Everything's retracing in its second wave to between the 382 and the 618, okay? We are also looking at VRA. VRA is doing a great job at doing that as well. VRA on the 4-hourly chart looks like it's still on its one wave. Why do I say that? Because if we go on the hourly chart, we can see that this first wave was more like an ABC pivot, okay? Because you see this one here is not a valid wave one. So this has to be the wave one. This has to be the wave one retrace. okay? And why is that not a valid wave 1? Very simply because you take the bottom to the top and the retrace is way beyond the 618, okay? So that can't be a valid wave 1 here. If anything, this right here is wave 1 right there, okay? You see that? It hit the 618. So this is wave 1 right here. This is wave 3. So we're in wave 3 for VRA, okay? Let's see. So VRA is chugging along, and again, its target, according to pattern analysis, is around 5.4 cents, which is around the 618, okay? So just like Bitcoin, just like Link, it's just retracing in its two-wave, targeting between the 382 and the 618 of its of its 5 waves down, okay? And then we see we're looking at PYR. So PYR, something strange happened with this. I don't know. I heard on crypto Twitter that there was a rug of some sort or an exploit of some sort. I don't know. Again, I've had trouble reading this chart, but I had a little bit of an epiphany last night when I looked at it, and I don't know what you guys think about this, but here goes. I saw this. I saw this as one. Whoops. Let me get rid of this. That's not what I wanted. Here we go. Okay. Bit of a mess. Okay, so here's what I saw. I saw this as being wave 1 right here. No. Not this. This right here. I think it's this. I'm trying to remember what I labeled. Okay, yeah, it was this. Yeah. I saw wave 1 starting here. And then 2, and then 3. But then I don't know what the hell to make of this. I thought this was a big 4 wave, but then what did I look at last night that made sense? Still can't make heads or tails of this chart. That's why I won't touch it. I won't touch anything I can't make heads or tails out of. Wasn't it this wave 1? Let me try that again. Yeah, I think this was it. This was it. Right here. I was right the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a crazy 4 wave. And then 5. But that doesn't make sense because 5 doesn't show sort of exhaustion of trend. You don't see exhaustion of trend until this point right here. So again, I don't know what to make of this chart. And it was in an uptrend, and then there was talks about like some exploit, whatever. Just be very careful what you invest in. I was just asked this chart on over a live stream, so I've just been looking at it, and I'm obviously chart curious. If I look at a chart, somebody brings something up, I'm just intrigued. Even if I'm not invested in it, I'm intrigued because I love charts and I love charting and I love looking at them. But I still cannot make heads or tails of this. And this is a case where I'm waiting for more information, more candles to try and understand what's going on. Obviously, I can zoom out a bit, may give me a little more context, but just looking at this, gun to my head, this looks immediately like some trend, whether a B wave looks more like a B wave to me, and then this looks like a break of trend, A wave. This looks like a B wave coming up. So I think that just zoomed out, large scale, you're going up to at least the 0.5 5. Let's see. Or that may have already happened. Let's see. I think it's in a B wave. B wave of a B wave. But I don't know. It's hard to read. Just be very, 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 very careful. I can't read this. But what I would do, like I said yesterday, is just track Bitcoin. As soon as Bitcoin hits its top of its 5 waves, it ends its 2-wave retracement. Just, sell out. Because if Bitcoin's going down, nothing's going to be spared. At least very few other projects are going to be spared. So that is my analysis, my daily analysis of Bitcoin, Chainlink, Veracity, Vulcan Forge, PYR. I hope you guys have a great day today. Have a great day tomorrow. Merry Christmas tomorrow, and stay safe. Keep your heads about you, and do check out the video that I released today on the chart no one's talking about. That's not clickbait. I guarantee it's not clickbait. If you understand it, even a little bit of Elliott wave theory, you will greatly benefit from that. And hopefully you can, have a look at it yourself, form your own analysis, do your own research, and it may help you in the long term, forging a very profitable investment thesis in crypto. All right, that's it for me. Hope you guys are well.